All right, welcome back, my dear student. So it's time for us to try out the models. All right. So now we said that the models communicate with the database, but we don't even have a database. We don't even have a table, right? So we need to create that. So let's go to our PHP MyAdmin. All right. So let's go ahead and say, you know what? Not called Igniter, but localhost, and then PHP MyAdmin. All right. So let's go to localhost and then PHP MyAdmin. Let's create a database for this. All right. So let's say databases, and what are we going to be actually naming this database? Also do auto increment and index primary, and then let's do username and let's do password. There we go. Let's make sure that the username type is varchar, varchar, whatever you want to call it. And let's just say 255, and the password, let's make it the same, and let's just click save over here, all the way in the bottom here. Save. Perfect. All right. Now let's insert some data into it. Let's. I'm not gonna insert anything for ID because that's all is going to auto increment, of course. Let's just create a user, and his password is 123. How about that? Go. Perfect. All right. So now that we have something to use, let's create the model real quick. So let's go to the model. Let me just take all this out of here. Let me just take all this out. Let's go to our models. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new model. It's going to be called user underscore model dot php. There we go. Then open some PHP tags, and we are going to be creating our first custom model, right? So it's going to be class, and then it's going to be called user with an uppercase U, user model. I'm just going to say all lowercase after it. And then extends, what do you think is going to extend? CI what? Model. If you said it, you are correct. Very good. All right, perfect. So now we have created our model class structure right here in the first model. We need to actually put some functionality into it so that way we can communicate with the database. On the next lecture, I'm going to show you some of the most popular syntax examples here to communicate with our database. All right. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. On the next lecture, we're going to keep having some more fun. So keep active, keep practicing, keep coding. See you in the next lecture.